Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she don't want no nigga, baby, let's face it. I've been really so.
Hey guys, it's the girl Shalicious and welcome back to another vloggy vlog. So today's vlog is a maintenance vlog. It's Monday and I'm about to go get my nails done in Ocho Rios. Tomorrow I'm gonna get my lashes done and the day after I'm gonna get my hair done all the way in Kingston. But you know, I'm so excited. But it's 8:55. My appointment is at 10, but I'm gonna leave out early to get something to eat and then head to my nail appointment. I'm so excited for this vlog because I be looking crazy, so I'm excited to get glow. This today's fragrance is, what's this, Marbella. This smells so good and I'll be mixing it with You're the One. Every time I wear these two, I'll be getting mad compliments. Smelling good. But yeah, I am about to leave out. So I'm wearing like a black shorts jumpsuit, this crop top, and this is the bag. And my silver slides, that's it. And you know, I gotta put my hat on. I'm such a hot girl. But yeah, that's the fit for the day. And yeah, let's go. But yeah, let's go.
Offers in February 29. Conditions apply.
Thanks. Thank you. All right.
Hey yo, Barbie dangerous. Bitches don't endanger us. You are over, you ain't in range of us. Cause I 1111 angel numbers. Dashes and Burberry rainbow. Looking like every designer fake mule. Front row next to the who's who. Trying to build another Barbie doll screws loose. They my rapper that can channel Big Papa and push out Papa Big Hole and Mother the year. Every summer I come out to walk, bitches make them disappear. But to me it's just another year. She ain't got the kind of flair. Let me see what I'ma wear. They gon' copy, I'ma wear mine clear. Heavy on the arms, niggas sitting from the back, then he asks all this my hair. Yeah. Bitch, your game, crap your shit, face on pretty, that stay thick, beef with who, she got the right one. All these bad bitches, they got the like none. Kitty on flick, I got the type one. Pink one taking, I got the white one. These fat bitches you like is my son. Still on this rap shit, but I'm still sitting here, you got a lot to prove. Appreciating my solitude. Beef ain't my go-to, but I got bags of this bread for buying food. And I'm still queening, Chanel bag, they still swinging. Old hits, they still swinging. They let it flow, they still streaming. But it's kill season. You apologize, but it's still treason. Got me steaming like dry cleaning. Move on my time, I ain't no demon. Closed words ain't got no meaning. Cleaning the scrap shit is bohemian. They work nightmare, they still dreaming. Bitches jacking, I'm still cool, and I'm still praying. You would too, if you knew how they jealous bitches move. Verse 22 by 22.
Hey you guys, it's the next day. Today is Lash day. By the way, look at my nails, they're so cute. And I got a pedicure also, and I got my toes done. They're so cute. Oh my god, freaking cute. But anyways, today is Lash day. It's about it's 10:37. My appointment is at 12. I'm already dressed and everything. I'm just wearing this pink crop top, you know, a little boyfriend jean, my hat, you guys know I'm a hot girl. And you know, slides and my little purse. That's it. I'm just going to get my nails done and come right back home because I need to wash my hair for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm getting my hair done all the way in Kingston, and I'm a little bit nervous because 1, I don't know my way around Kingston. 2, I don't know where this place is. 3, I can't get Knoxford to come back because too late or whatever, and I don't know where the Ocherous taxis are located. But I'm a smart girl. We gonna make it do what it do, okay? Oof. But yeah, I need to straighten my room before I leave, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna leave out and glow up in this video. Love this for me. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna vlog much at the Lash studio, but I'll see you guys in the next clip. Oh my god, we're here. It's 11:37. Early? Too early?
I like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, bitties spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Kim be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yep, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna.
Hey y'all, I am back home. This is what the lashes are giving. Fluffy and cute, baby. Ugh. My eyes were so freaking red, but that always happened to me because my eyes are sick. But I'm loving it. So cute. So all I need to do is get my hair done tomorrow, and I have to get up early to catch Knoxford to get to Kingston. But I'll see you guys in the morning because I'm taking the earliest bus to get there. Tell me why when I made my booking, the hairdresser told me to come with my hair washed, like freshly washed. Like, why would I pull up with a dirty hair? It's y'all dirty bitches that be making it hard for like normal people. Because it's not normal to show up to get your hair done with dirty ass hair, and you and the hairdresser didn't have like an agreement for her to, like, you know, wash it, to do a wash or whatever. Because why would I turn up with dirty hair? Of course I'm gonna wash my hair. Of course my hair's gonna be clean. But yeah, I need to wash it though. I know I should have washed it before I did my lashes because you're not supposed to get your lashes wet, but I'm gonna do something. I'll pull my hair back like this or something. But yeah, I'm gonna do that while the sun is hot because it be cold. But yeah, that's the plan. Wash my hair and go to bed early tonight, so it will be freshly washed for the hairdresser. yeah, so that's the plan for the rest of the day. Then I'm gonna just hop in bed, play some game, or watch Zeus or something. I don't know. But I'm going to bed mad early tonight, because I have to catch the bus really early. So I guess I'll see you guys on the bus in the morning. I don't know, somewhere. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Guys, so I'm currently at Knoxford.
Hey yo, Barbie dangerous. Bitches don't endanger us. You are over, you ain't in range of us. Cause I 1111 angel numbers. Lashes and Burberry rainbow. Looking like every designer fake mule. Front row next to the who's who. Trying to build another Barbie doll screws loose. They my rapper that can channel big papa and push out pop a bit home mother the year. Every summer I come out to walk, bitches make them disappear. But to me it's just another year. She ain't got the kind of flair. Let me see what I'ma wear. They gon' copy, I'ma wear mine clear. Heavy on the arms, niggas hitting from the back, then he asks all this my hair. Yeah, bitch, your game, crap your shit, face on pretty, that stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the like none. Kitty on think I got the type one. Pink one taking, I got the white one. These fat bitches you like is my son. Still I'm on this rap shit from I'm still sitting here, you got a lot to prove. Appreciating my solitude. Beef ain't my go-to, but I got bags of this bread for buying food. And I'm still queening. Chanel bag, they still swinging. Old hits, they still swinging. They let it flow, they still streaming. But it's cute.
Baby, can you focus on me? Is it so? How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You know that but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Baby, I've been waiting.
The front camera video, know what kind of video that? I'm so big, me no man. Well, I'm a girl,
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Oh my god, God.
Can we get this money so I can stop keep doing things? But I feel alone in the way alone. There's no contact, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been under spell. Wish you would just focus
I'm in
on
love.
me. Can you focus on me? Baby,
Yeah, that's good.
Really happy.
When you plan out something and it come out good.
I love the curls, everything.
Yeah.
Can't talk to me now,
You look them on IG, that's where you find them.
Yeah, I found them on IG.
Usually some of them things they have to get referral, you know. Like somebody go there and they regular.
Hi, sorry. What's this? Bloody neon. What's this? Bloody neon. I like it.
That one?
Yeah. It's not bad. I'll give it a 5.
Alright.
Wait, which one you got?
Sorry.
Oh, the sorry.
No, this one. Some can tolerate it.
This? Oh, this is the sorry. It's sweet and nice.
Yeah. My drink is constant. Normally with my pump, right? That. I like that.
I don't like this
That's
one.
taste of the beer.
Really?
That bit too.
You think so?
The peel.
Beer tasting.
might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic. Say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic. Just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic. Turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Hey guys, so today is the next day. I feel like I didn't talk a lot in this vlog, but y'all know I don't be talking a lot anyways. But when I got to Kingston, I was gonna take a taxi from Knoxford to drop me to the place, hoping they'll find the spot or whatever. But my friend Frank offered to pick me up and drop me off, and I decided to stay over, and we went to Taboo. No, after my hair appointment, we went to this bar to eat, to this, I think they make their own beers there, so we were doing like, I was doing beer tasting whatever. And then in the night we went to Taboo, which was lit as hell. And then I came back home early in the morning. So shout out to you, Frank. Always, I swear to God, always saving me. I don't be showing Frank. Frank don't like to be on camera, so I don't be showing him. But shout out to you, Frank, always. My only, like, you know, solid friend in Kingston. Because I don't know Kingston. So Frank be bringing me to places, showing me around and stuff like that. So shout out to you, Frank. Really, really, really appreciate that. But now I'm back in Ochi, y'all, and we are about to turn up. This is the hair, looking so cute. I need to give you guys like a rundown of the type of hair that I got. It's actually not full human hair. It's like a mixed fiber. Perfect for me because I am very lazy, and you know, this wig come with curls, so I won't have to like straighten it or add curl to it. I could just like brush it and go. And this is how the lady told me to keep it, just like put it in 2 twists, and she said I should wrap the end or bun the end of it. Oh, and she did say I should put like a little sheen here, what they call that, I can't remember the name. I don't remember, but she said I shouldn't put nothing in it, just brush it, and like when I'm wrapping it at nighttime, I should just put like a little sheen thing at the end or whatever, and just brush and go. So far I'm loving it. It's so pretty when it's out and brush. It's like so wavy and bouncy. I'm so happy. I'm definitely gonna be like getting more of these wigs because I'm lazy, and it's perfect for lazy people like me because you don't have to do much. Yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I haven't been posting because your girl been going through it, but I'm back, and I'm gonna try to get active again because I realized that my watch time is going down, and I had no idea that was like possible. Oh my god. So I lost a lot of watch time because I haven't been posting, and I did not realize. So I have to get back on my game, and you know, I am definitely back because I'm gonna be doing a lot of shit, you know, a lot of excursions and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna be vlogging. By the way, happy new year, y'all, even though it's February, but happy new year from your girl Shaylicious. And I see you in my next vlog. I'm actually gonna start my next vlog right now, so you're gonna see me with the same top, everything. But yeah, I'm actually at the Airbnb in Ocho, so I'm gonna give you guys like a room tour in the other video, and we'll go from there. I'm up for right now.
Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no